Hello everyone, my name is Ragi Prakash. I'm currently pursuing third year of Computer Science Engineering BTech. Today I'm going to present my internship project titled OrderIt, a food ordering web application which is built using MERN Stack. This project was developed as part of my MERN Stack internship conducted by Webstack Academy from 3rd March 2026 to 20th April 2026. In this presentation, I will walk through the project overview, technologies used, system architecture, implementation details, challenges faced, and finally a live demo of the application. Let us move to the next slide. This internship was conducted by Webstack Academy, focusing on full stack web development using modern technologies. The internship followed a hands-on project-based learning approach where instead of only learning theory, we built real-world applications. During this program, I learned how to work with the complete MERN stack, which includes MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. The training was designed to match industry level development practices, helping me understand how real applications are built, structured, and deployed. Overall, this internship gave me both technical knowledge and practical experience in full stack development. Coming to internship overview, the Stack internship was an intensive training program focused on building real world applications. Over a period of 7 weeks, I worked on developing a complete full stack project from scratch. The internship covered all major components of web development, such as front end development using React, back end development using Node.js and Express, and database management using MongoDB. Along with that, I also learned industry best practices such as proper code structure, API design, debugging, and version control. The main highlight of the internship was building a production level of food ordering application, which helped me understand the complete development workflow. Goals of an internship are the primary goal of this internship was to gain strong practical knowledge in full stack development. I aim to master the main stack technologies, including MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. Another important goal was to gain real world industry experience by working on a complete project rather than small isolated tasks. I also focused on building production ready applications, following proper coding standards and a scalable architecture. Additionally, I wanted to understand the full development workflow, including how front-end, back-end, and database interact with each other. Overall, this internship helped me to build both technical skills and confidence in developing a real applications. Coming to project overview, my project is titled OrderIt, which is a full stack food ordering web application built using the MERN stack. This application provides a complete digital platform where users can browse restaurants, view menus, add food items to a cart, make payments, and track their orders. The system is designed as an end to end solution covering the entire user journey from selecting food items to completing the order. In addition to customer features, the application also includes admin functionalities, such as managing restaurants, menu categories, and food items. The main focus of this project was to build a real world application with practical features rather than just a basic demo project. This helped me understand how large scale applications are structured and how different components work together. Coming to problem statement, mm, the main problem addressed by this project is a inefficiency of traditional food ordering systems. In many cases, food ordering is still done manually through phone calls or in previous visits. The process is time consuming and often leads to error in order handling. Additionally, many small and medium restaurants do not have a proper digital platform, which limits their reach to customers who prefer online ordering. Another challenge is order management and payment handling, which can become complex without a proper system. So the goal of this project is to build the digital gap by providing a complete online food ordering solution that is efficient, accurate, and user friendly. Objectives of the project. The main objective of the order it application is to build a complete and user friendly food ordering platform. First, the system should provide an initiative interface where users can easily browse restaurants, view menus, and place orders without confusion. Secondly, it aims to implement secure authentication. Using that, user data and login credentials are protected using modern techniques like JWT. Another important objective is to enable real-time order management, where users can track their orders and admins can manage operations efficiently. Additionally, the project integrates a secure online payments using Stripe, making the transactions process smooth and reliable. Overall, the objective is to develop a scalable, production-ready application that solves real-world problems. Coming to target users, the application is designed for two main types of users. The first group is customers who use the platform to browse restaurants, view menus, and add items to cart, make payments, and track their orders. The second group is the restaurant admins or managers who are responsible for managing restaurant data, menu categories, and food items. Admins can also monitor our orders and update stock information. In future, the system can also be extended to include delivery personnel, making it a complete ecosystem for food ordering and delivery. Uh, the tech stack overview that I have used in this project is the project is built using the MERN stack, which is a combination of four main technologies. Firstly, MongoDB is used as the database to store all application data such as users, restaurants, orders, and menu items. Express.js is used as the backend framework to handle API request and server-side logic. React.js is used to build the front-end user interface, making the application dynamic and interactive. Node.js is the runtime environment that runs the backend server. Along with this, additional tools like Redux, Axios, JWT, and Stripe are used to enhance functionalities such as state management, API communication, authentication, and payment integration. Uh, Coming to the explanation of regarding this tech stack that I have used in this project, to understand the working of the main stack in simple terms, the user interacts with the React frontend, which displays the interface and captures user actions. When a user performs an action, such as logging in or adding an item to the cart, the frontend sends a request to the backend using Axios. The Express and Node.js backend receives the request, processes the business logic, and communicates with the database. The data is then stored or retrieved from MongoDB, which acts as the database layer. Finally, the backend sends a response back to the frontend, and the UI is updated accordingly. In one line, we can say React handles the interface, Express handles the logic, Node runs the server, and MongoDB stores the data. Coming to the system architecture. The OrderIt application follows a client-server architecture, uh, which is a standard design used in modern web applications. It is divided into three main layers. The first layer is frontend, built using React, which handles user interaction and displays the interface. Second layer is backend, built using Node.js and Express, which processes requests and handles business logics. Third layer is database, obviously. MongoDB, which stores all the application data such as users, restaurants, orders, and menu items. This separation of layers makes the application more scalable, maintainable, and organized. The architecture flow diagram is provided here. We can see the data flow visualization and how the request and response are done in the project. The slide shows the data flow of the application. When a user interacts with the interface, such as clicking a button or placing an order, the request is sent from the React frontend to the backend using HTTP request. The backend receives the request through Express routes and the process it using Node.js. Then the backend communicates with MongoDB to either store or retrieve data. After processing the backend, the backend sends a response back to the frontend, and the UI updates accordingly. This is how database design overview looks like. The database design of this project is structured using multiple collections in MongoDB. The users collection, uh, it stores user details such as name, email, password, and roles. The restaurant collection contains information about restaurants, including their details and menu interfaces, menu references. The menu or Food item collection stores data like item name, price, description, and stock availability. The cart collection manages items selectively by the user before placing an order. Finally, the order collection. Order collection. Uh, Actually, we can see from here the order collection stores complete order details, including items, payment information, and delivery status. The structures designs ensure efficient data handling and scalability. The main features of the project are the OrderIt application includes several important features that make it a complete food ordering systems. It supports user authentication, including sign up, login, and password management. Users can browse restaurants, search and filter them based on preferences. The system provides a menu management feature where food items are organized into categories. It also includes a shopping cart system, allowing users to add items and manage quantities. Additionally, it integrates secure payment functionality using Stripe and supports order tracking after successful payment. These features together provide a smooth and complete user experience. Coming to the next slide, it is about authentication module. It's one of the core important components of this application. Users can register by providing their details such as name, email, and password. During registration, passwords are securely stored using encryption techniques. Users can log in using the credentials, and once authenticated, they gain access to the protected feature like cart and orders. The system also supports password reset functionality, allowing user to recover their accounts securely. Additionally, a role-based access control is implemented, which means certain features are restricted only to admin users. Coming to the next slide, authentication working. The authentication system is the project is implemented using secure industry process, industry practices. When a user registers, the password is not stored directly. Instead, it is hashed using bycrypt, which ensures security. Yes. During login, the entire password is compared with the hashed password stored in database. If the credentials are valid, the system generates a JW token, which is used for authentication in future request. This token is sent to the each protected request, and the backend verifies it using middleware. This approach ensures that only authenticated users can access sensitive features, making systems secure and scalable. When restaurant modules. The restaurant modules is the main entry point for the users in this application. Users can view a list of available restaurants along with details such as name, cuisine type, ratings, and images. The application also provides search functionality, allowing users to find restaurants quickly. Additionally, users can apply filters such as rating, cuisine type of delivery preferences to refine their results. Yeah. This module improves user experience by making restaurants discovery easy and efficient. Moving to the next slide, menu and food item module. When a user selects a restaurant, the application displays its menu in a structured way. Food items are organized into categories such as starters, main course, desserts, and making it navigation very easier. Each food item includes detail like name, description, price, and availability. The system also shows stock status, so users know whether an item is available or not. On the admin side, menu categories and food item can be created, updated, or deleted. This ensures that the menu remains dynamic and easy to manage. Coming to the next slide, it is a cart module. The cart module allows user to manage their selected food items before placing an order. Users can add items to the cart, increase or decrease quantities, and remove items if needed. The total price is updated in real time based on the selected items. The cart is linked to logged in user, ensuring a personalized experience. One important logic implemented in this project is that a cart can contain items from only one restaurant at a time, which reflects real world ordering behavior. Coming to next, a payment module. The payment module is implemented using Stripe, which is a secure and widely used payment gateway. When the users process to checkout, the front end sends the card details to the backend. The backend creates a Stripe checkout session and redirects the user to payment page. Stripe handles a secure card processing and ensure that all transactions are encrypted and safe. After successful payment, the system confirms the transaction and processes to order creation. This ensures a smooth and reliable payment experience for users. Coming to the next slide, 24 minutes. Yeah. Order module. The order module handles the complete life cycle of an order in the system. Once payment is successful, the system creates a new order using the item present in the cart. Each order is assigned a unique order ID for tracking purpose. The system stores important details such as order items, total amount of payment status, and delivery information. Users can view their order history and check the status of each order. The order goes through different stages like pending, preparing, and delivered, which helps in tracking progress. Coming to the stock management is an important feature to maintain inventory accuracy. Each food item has defined stock value, which represents its availability. When an order is placed, the system automatically reduces the stock based on the quantity ordered. If the stock is insufficient, the system prevents the order from being placed. Additionally, out of stock items are either hidden or marked as unavailable for users. This ensures that users do not order items that cannot be delivered. Coming to an important feature that I have added in my project is AI feature. One of the advanced feature of this project is an integration of AI-based functionalities. The system can generate automatic food descriptions, which helps in creating detailed and attractive menu items. It also performs a review sentiment analysis where customers' feedback is analyzed to determine whether it is positive or negative. Additionally, AI can provide smart recommendations based on user preference and behavior. These features enhances the overall user experience and make the application more modern and intelligent. Here is the implementation approach. The implementation of this project follows a structured and modular approach. On the front end, React is used with the functionality components and hooks to build the dynamic user interfaces. State management is handled using tools like Context API or Redux to manage global data such as cart and user information. On the back end, Express is used to create RESTful APIs, and Node.js handles the server-side logic. MongoDB is used for database operations, obviously. Additionally, tools like Git are used for version control, and Postman is used for API testing. This structured approach ensures the application is scalable, maintainable, and efficient. During the building this process, I have faced several challenges. These are the main three challenges that I have faced: authentication and integration, state and payments. Implementing secure JWT and authentication is really fed up, and integration of a complex API integrations like a Stripe payment, flow integration with a secure card processing is a really a challenging thing. Additionally, managing real-time stock updates and preventing invalid orders was also a challenge. These challenges helped me improve my debugging and problem-solving skills, of course. Next, solutions that I have applied. To overcome the challenges faced during development, I implemented several effective solutions. For authentication, I used JWT tokens with secure middlewares, ensuring protected accesses to sensitive routes. For API handling, I followed a structured RESTful designs. To manage global state, especially for cart and user data, I used Context API. For payments, I implement Stripe session based flow, ensuring that orders are created only after successful transactions. The solutions improve the overall security, scalability, and reliability of the applications. And yeah, let us do the project demo. Mm, Let me show you how the demo of the project. Let me log in with the VS Code. Here you can see the back end and front end. Front end. Yes, let us log into the front end and also to the back end. And let's run the server. Let's do the same in the front end. Open the local host. Yeah, here you can see our website. This is the home page. This is where all restaurants are displayed. User can browse and explore available options. Here you can also see search or filter options. Users can search or filter restaurant based on the preferences. Let us search for KFC. Yes, enter. Here you can see that the KFC appeared as we searched for it. And yeah, here is a login session. We can log out from here. Or if you're a new user, you can register from here. Let us register like Bob, email bob@gmail.com. Coming to password, let's give something. And here is a wait, a confirmation again. And there is a number again. You can obviously chooses this. And registering. Yeah, yeah, we can here we can see that my profile it got created. Here, like this, we can sign up or log in our pages with the full name, Bob, phone number, join. We can see the actual date and email address too. Yeah, then coming to homepage. Yeah, if we click on any restaurant, we can see Haldiram's restaurant. Here there are charts and several items, food items, and the main courses anytime. These are the several food categories and several food items. We can also add it to cart like yeah. Initially, we have cart 0, and whenever we click add to cart, mm, you can see the pani puri was added, and the cart got increased with 1, and the hip papadi, I'm going to add it to cart. I'm going to increase it to twice. Here you can see total 3 items were ordered, added to cart. So in this way, we can add to cart, cart page. Let us go to the cart page. Users can add items to the cart and adjust the quantities dynamically here from here within itself. You can also increase. Here the cart will load again. And if you click a checkout here, you can also see order summary, subtotal, total, deliverable, payable. All the prices are displayed here. Whenever you click a checkout, you can see you are loaded to the Stripe website. It's my network issue, I think. The page is not loading. Yeah, here you can see as it is a test mode and items and categories were added. Uh, let's add a name or and address, default is saved address, and number, whatever we like. For card details like 42424242424242. Yeah, coming to this 0229. Coming to this 77. Yeah. So now you pay it also like this. Okay. You can see here processing is being the order is being processed. Yeah, finalizing your order. Please wait while we save. Your order has been successfully placed. You can click see your orders and from going to my cart. Ordered 2 items, Haldiram's, total amount 453. Status of processing, date of order, action view. You can view here. Um, name, phone number, address, and something like paid order status processing. What we have ordered, 2 items this of pani puri and 2 items of the puri. Yeah, we can see it from there. And this is how the uh, ordering website will be done. And we can also log in. Yeah, if you can also log out it and you can also log in as an admin by changing the role of the user in the database in MongoDB. So we can check it out later. So coming to the presentation again, let's present it again. Mm, yeah, these are the learning outcomes that I have learned. The project helped me to gain a strong practical knowledge in full stack development. I developed a deep understanding of a MERN stack, including front end, back end, and a database integration. I learned how to design and implement a RESTful APIs and how data flows across different layers of an application. Also gained experience in authentication and authorization, including JWT-based security. Additionally, I have worked on payment integration using Stripe, which is an important real-world feature. Overall, this project improved my technical skills, problem solving ability, and confidence in building real applications. uh, Coming to future enhancements, I might make several changes in it. There were several enhancements that can be added to improve this project future. One major improvement is real-time order tracking, uh, which order tracking, where users can track delivery using live location. Another feature is pushing notifications, which can inform users about order updates and offers. Another one is mobile app development. Of course, I want to extend my project into a mobile application, and followed by a, cloud development, which real stores the data in using clouds. And finally, yeah, friends, thank you for your attention. Thank you for listening. To conclude, OrderIt is in a complete full stack food ordering application developed using a non-stack. It includes all essential features such as authentication, restaurant browsing, cart management, payment integration, and order tracking. This project helped me understand how real world applications are built and managed from end to end. Thank you for your time and attention. I'd be happy to answer any questions if you have in the comment sections. So finally, I also want to thank Webstacks Academy for providing this such a great opportunity. They helped me. They gave me an internship to make this, and they also helped me while doing this internship. I really thankful to Webstacks Academy. Thank you guys. That's all for today. Prakash signing off.